Okay guys, I just want to mention something very important that you need to put on after you remove the stock drive sprocket and replace it with a OEM guard. This I got on Amazon for this bike, the Honda CRF300L. And when you remove this guard, on the back there's two little riveted pins that hold this guard on in here that goes around, that's bolted on. And what that does is, if you could see, hopefully you could see in here, is that guard lines up into the center of your chain. And what happens is, if the chain breaks, it keeps the chain from going in and smashing into your engine case, breaking it open and allowing all your oil to leak out. So if changing the guard from the OEM, it is very important to remove these two little plastic rivets. You could get it off with a little X-Acto knife. They come off very easy. Then you pry the steel guard off and you put it in the same position when you put your OEM sprocket guard on. And that will save your engine case down the road if you have a chain break. And by doing the sprocket guard here, you're able to see what's really going on with the bike. So you can see it's polishing the edge here a little here. You can see in there, but the gear's being polished. Plus you can be able to see if you get shark tooth on your teeth easier than having to remove the guard. Plus it's a lot easier to clean all the junk out after riding. So that's my very important tip to you guys. Hopefully you find it useful. Thanks. Bye-bye.